Hey there, welcome to Car Clinic. Today, we're talking about bad torque converter symptoms and how much it might cost to replace one. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss valuable videos like this one. Slipping transmission. When a torque converter starts to fail, one of the most noticeable signs is a slipping transmission. You might feel your engine revving higher, but the car isn't picking up speed as it should. This is because the torque converter struggles to transfer power efficiently from the engine to the transmission. Overheating issues. A bad torque converter can cause the transmission fluid to overheat. If your vehicle's transmission warning light turns on, or if you notice a burning smell, it's a clear sign something isn't right. Overheating can damage other components in the transmission if left unchecked. Shuddering while driving. Another common symptom is shuddering or shaking while driving at consistent speeds. This happens when the torque converter isn't maintaining a smooth connection between the engine and transmission, resulting in a noticeable vibration or wobble. Unusual noises. A faulty torque converter can make a range of odd noises, such as whining, clicking, or grinding. These sounds often come from worn or damaged internal parts, like bearings or turbines, inside the converter. Poor acceleration. If your car feels sluggish or unresponsive when you press the gas pedal, the torque converter may not be doing its job. This lack of power transfer can make driving frustrating and even dangerous in certain situations. Contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty or burnt transmission fluid is another sign of a torque converter issue. Check the fluid's condition. If it's dark, gritty, or smells off, it may mean internal damage has already occurred, and you'll need to address it quickly. Replacement cost estimates. Now let's talk numbers. Replacing a torque converter is not cheap, but the cost depends on your car. For example, Honda Accord. Expect to pay between $700 and $1,200 for parts and labor. Toyota Camry. The cost typically ranges from $800 to $1,400. Ford F-150. You're looking at around $1,000 to $2,000 for this truck, depending on the model year. Chevrolet Malibu. Costs range from $700 to $1,500. BMW 3 Series. Luxury vehicles like these can cost between $1,500 and $2,500. Labor alone can account for $400 to $1,000 of these totals, because replacing the torque converter involves removing the transmission. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions you have. Thanks for watching Car Clinic, and we'll see you in the next one.